Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which vent is broken and why: cracked bezel, stuck louvers, or detached duct. Once identified, remove minimal trim using pry tools to expose fasteners. This prevents extra damage. Make sure to disconnect any nearby dash clips and note screw types so you can match replacements. If you need a part, order the exact grill or a universal repair kit now. Having the part ready saves time and avoids reassembly delays. Once the vent is out, examine the louvers, pivot pins, and control linkage to understand the failure mode. You'll remove old clips and test the actuator by moving it manually. This shows whether the problem is mechanical or electronic. If tabs are broken, use plastic welder or high-strength epoxy to rebuild them or install the replacement grill. Make sure the actuator engages smoothly. If not, replace it to restore full directional control and reliable airflow. Reinstall the vent by aligning tabs and gently snapping or screwing it back in place, making sure cables or electrical connectors are fully seated. Once mounted, run the HVAC system and cycle through vent positions so you can hear and feel proper operation. This confirms smooth linkage and correct actuator function. If anything binds or makes noise, remove trim and inspect for misaligned clips or debris. Replacing a worn actuator gear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.